In this video, we are going to look at working out the vector between points. Now, in the diagram given, we have A, B, and the origin. And we're going to be asked to work out what this vector is, the vector between A and B. So put that there. Well, what do I know? Well, I know that the position vector of A, i.e. the vector from the origin to point A, is like that. And the position vector of B, i.e. from the origin to B, is like that. Well, so what I could say here is the vector AB, if I don't go direct, if I go this way, is equal to negative A, so I'm going the wrong way, plus B, or B minus A. So to summarize, to find the vector between 2 points, you do the second position vector minus the first position vector. So let's look at these two questions. So to calculate CD, the vector between C and D, I do the position vector of D, the second one, minus position vector of the first one. Now, D is the point 8, 2, so its position vector is 8, 2 as a column, and we've got 5, 4 for C. Take them away, 8 take away 5 is 3, 2 take away 4 is negative 2. So the vector CD is 3, negative 2. So let's do EF. So EF is the position vector of the second letter minus the position vector of the first. So for F we've got 3, negative 7. And for E we've got negative 1, 0. So 3 take away negative 1 is the same as 3 add 1, so that's 4. Negative 7 take away 0 is still negative 7. So EF is the vector for negative 7.